Today, we're back at Black Ops Airsoft Bristol for another objective-based game. This time, our VIP, better known as the Banana, needs to make his way safely along the right-hand side of the map to reach the objective. My job is a little bit different. I've been tasked with holding the left flank, disrupting the enemy team and drawing as much attention as possible and taking the pressure off the VIP as he makes his push. If everything goes to plan, the defenders will be too busy dealing with me to stop the Banana reaching the objective. Let's see how it goes.
Game on, game on, game on, game on. We don't crash honey then. Yeah, I know, but you can do the kick and cover there, that's what fucking in there.
I think you got him, he's walking back.
Hit!
Oh, where am I gone? Nice shot, lad! On the bunker, top of bunker. Nice to that floor. Still one top of bunker. Stay on.
He's up there behind the barricade. See him? He's hit. Mason, just cover that angle, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Where are you shooting?
Inside the helicopter.
Back left, back right of it, right now.
Yeah.
I missed him. You see him, don't you?
Yeah. Best.
Oh. Where is that coming from?
I have no idea.
Oh,
There he is, yeah.
back right again. He's a rental.
Oh, I'm out.
He's dead. No. That was it. He's crossed.
Yeah. You just revive someone. Another one.
He's hit.
If you go up to do a massive flank,